Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here we will sing, dance and have a lot of fun together. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और साथ मिलकर खूब मजे करेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Then please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. Please खड़े हो जाएं और अपने टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now I would like all of you to join me in this wonderful song. Before we move on to our song, I would like to explain you all this song. इस गाने पर डांस करने से पहले मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इस गाने को आप सभी को एक्सप्लेन करूं. Now, this is a very, very special song. The name of this song is the Veggie Song. ये एक बहुत ही खास सॉन्ग है और इसका नाम है The Veggie Song. In this song, I will tell you all the names of different vegetables. If you eat these vegetables, you have to clap your hands. इस गाने में मैं आप सभी को कुछ vegetables यानी सब्जियों के नाम बताऊंगी. अगर आप सभी इन vegetables को खाते हैं तो आपको अपने हाथों से clap करना है. Now, we all know that we clap our hands like this. हम ऐसे clap करते हैं, है ना? But in this song, we will clap in a different way. इस गाने में हम एक अलग अंदाज में क्लैप करेंगे. Do you want to see how? We will clap like this. 1, 2 and clap. Can you try to do this with me? क्या आप मेरे साथ क्लैप करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं? 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Now let us know this song one line by one. Are you all ready? The first line is carrots, peas and beetroot. All of them are so good. Carrots, peas और beetroots ये सारे कितने अच्छे होते हैं ना? Now, if you eat them, you have to clap your hands. अगर आप इन सब्जियों को खाते हैं तो आपको अपने हाथों को इस तरह क्लैप करना है. Can you show me how? Very good. Now the next line is I eat my veggies every day, in the night and in the day. मैं अपने वेजीज यानी वेजिटेबल्स रोज खाती हूँ, रात को भी खाती हूँ और सुबह भी. Do you also eat your veggies every day? क्या आप भी रोज वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं? If yes, clap your hands. Very good. Now the next line is corn, cucumber and cauliflower are veggies that make us stronger. ये जो सब्जियां हैं हमें ताकतवर बनाते हैं. Do you eat them? क्या आप भी इन्हें खाते हैं? If yes, clap your hands. Very good. Now the next line is beans, radish and potatoes always keep us on our toes. Beans, radish और potatoes हमें हमेशा आगे बढ़ने के लिए ताकत देते हैं. Do you also eat them? क्या आप भी इन्हें खाते हैं? If yes, clap your hands like this. अगर हाँ तो अपने हाथों को इस तरह क्लैप करें. Wow, you have learned the vegetable song. Now, let us sing and dance to this song with some music in it.
Children, today we will sing the vegetable song. Carrots, peas and beetroots, oh, all of them are so good. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. I eat my veggies every day, in the night and in the day. Now clap your hands if you do this too. Corn, cucumber and cauliflower are veggies that make us stronger. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. Beans, radish and potatoes always keep us on our toes. Now clap your hands if you eat them too.
I hope you all had fun singing and dancing with me. Now it's time for all of us to learn some new words. चलो अब हम साथ मिलकर कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. S U N D A Y Sunday. 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 Sunday is a holiday. M O N D A Y Monday. 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 We go to school on Monday. T U E S D A Y Tuesday. 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 Rahul has a drawing class on Tuesday. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. 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 Sonu did not go to school on Thursday. F R I D A Y Friday. 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 Meenal's birthday is on this Friday. Now children, I will read these words for you once again, and this time all of you have to try and say these words with me. अब मैं इन शब्दों को एक और बार पढ़ूंगी और इस बार आप सभी को इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करनी है. Are you all ready? Our first word is Sunday. Can you try to say Sunday? Very good. Our next word is Monday. Can you try to say Monday? Good. Our next word is Tuesday. Can you try to say Tuesday? Very good. Our next word is Thursday. Can you try to say Thursday. Very good. And our last word is Friday. Children, can you all try to say Friday? Excellent. I hope all of you were able to repeat these words after me. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहरा पाएं। Children, can you tell me which day of the week do we get holiday from school? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि हफ्ते के कौन से दिन में हमें स्कूल से छुट्टी मिलती है? Yes, Sunday. संडे को हमें स्कूल से छुट्टी मिलती है। Very good. Now, do you know that there are 7 days in a week? क्या आप जानते हैं कि एक हफ्ते में 7 days यानी 7 दिन होते हैं? Today we will learn the different days of the week. आज हम एक हफ्ते में कौन से दिन होते हैं ये सीखेंगे। Please open page number 49 of your My English textbook. Now, if you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट है तो अपनी उंगली को इस तरह मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें। But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Look at your screen carefully and listen to me carefully too. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो प्लीज चिंता ना करें, अपने स्क्रीन की ओर ध्यान से देखें और मुझे भी ध्यान से सुनें। The name of our poem is Days of the Week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 2. Wednesday, Thursday, just for you. Friday, Saturday, that's the end. Now, let's say those days again. Now, let us see the days of the week. Sunday, Sunday यानी रविवार. Monday, Monday यानी सोमवार. Tuesday यानी मंगलवार. Wednesday यानी बुधवार. Thursday यानी गुरुवार. Friday यानी शुक्रवार. And Saturday यानी शनिवार. Now that we have read this poem, let us sing this poem together. अब हमने ये कविता पढ़ ली है. अब बारी है इसे साथ मिलकर गाने की. Will you all sing this poem with me? Let's go. Our first line is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Can you say this line with me? क्या आप इस लाइन को मेरे साथ गाने की कोशिश करेंगे? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Very good. Our next line is Wednesday, Thursday, just for you. Can you say this line with me? अब इस लाइन को मेरे साथ गाने की कोशिश करें. Wednesday, Thursday, just for you. Now the next line is Friday, Saturday, that's the end. Can you say this line with me? अब इस लाइन को मेरे साथ गाने की कोशिश करें. Friday, Saturday, that's the end. Now let's say those days again. Can you say this last line with me? Now let's say those days again. Very well done. Now we have to sing the entire poem together. अब इस पूरी कविता को हमें साथ में गाना है. Will you all sing it? Let's go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Wednesday, Thursday, just for you. Friday, Saturday, that's the end. Now let's say those days again. I hope you all had fun singing this poem with me. I hope you all liked learning the 7 days of the week with me. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी को एक हफ्ते के 7 दिनों के बारे में मेरे साथ सीखने में मजा आया. Now let us do an activity. On your screen, you will see the days of the week on this side. You have to look for the same days on this side and then match them. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर हफ्ते के दिनों के नाम यहाँ नजर आएंगे. आपको उन नामों को इस तरफ ढूंढकर उन्हें मैच करना है. All the best. For example, the first word is Sunday. Children, can you look for the word Sunday in the other column? क्या आप Sunday इस शब्द को दूसरे कॉलम में ढूंढ सकते हैं? Very good. Now, just like this, I would like all of you to match the rest of the words. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसी तरह आप बचे हुए शब्दों को भी जोड़ें. Very good. Now our last word is Thursday. Children, can you look for the word Thursday? क्या आप Thursday इस शब्द को ढूंढ सकते हैं? Children, we just learned that there are 7 days in a week. Would you also like to learn how many months do we have in a year? बच्चों, हमने अभी सीखा कि एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. क्या आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कि एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? Then please look at your screen carefully. अपने स्क्रीन की ओर ध्यान से देखें. The very first month is January. After June, we have and the last month is December. So the months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Wow, we have 12 months in a year. I hope you all like this session. Today, we learned the days of the week and also the months of a year. आज हमने सीखा कि एक हफ्ते में कौन से अलग-अलग दिन होते हैं और हमने ये भी सीखा कि एक साल में कितने अलग-अलग महीने होते हैं. Now I would like all of you to ask your family which month is your birth month. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी अपने परिवार से पूछें कि आपका बर्थडे कौन से महीने में आता है. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home and take care. Bye bye.